last time you looked up and just observed the sky? You know, made time to watch the stars twinkle away like diamonds, or made time to watch the heavens dance around through the melody of swirling colors, or made time to watch the moon play hide and seek with the clouds, floating away with time and space. Do you remember? Does anyone remember? See, that's the thing. Most of us don't. The picture you are now seeing is not photoshopped, edited, or have any sort of special effects to it. In fact, this is our natural, supposed view of the Milky Way galaxy on an average summer night, visible from any part of the world. Something we're clearly missing out on. Do you know the number of stars in the universe is still way more than all the grains of sand on Earth put together? Can you fathom just the grandness of this number, or fathom the possibility that something actually exists in that enormous of an amount? With the universe being the epitome of everything majestic and everything glorious, the universe is a metaphor in itself. And I don't think there are enough words in the dictionary that would aptly describe the universe and its beauty. But here's the real question. How many of us truly appreciate the grandeur of the universe? How many of us are aware of the grandeur of the universe? How many of us make space for the universe in our day-to-day life? The answer, you'll have to tell me. See, that's the case with us. Over the past few centuries and decades, we as a human race have been so busy progressing forward. We've been running down the track to achieve progression in what we do. We've been so busy, we forgot that we used to be the people who depended on the night sky to tell us when we can harvest our food next and how to find our way around. Simply put, our lives used to revolve around the universe. But these days, we live on principles like time is money, and we prefer to fulfill our passion and satisfaction through materialistic and tangible goods. Not that it's any bad, it's just we're fast losing touch with our roots, and I don't think there's anything more saddening than that. Overall, these screaming billboards and blinding neon lights have made us reluctant to think from the cosmic perspective. Now, what is cosmic perspective? It's the larger-than-life thinking position. It's when we think from a wider angle for everyone, not just for us at individual levels. It's also when we dedicate a part of our busy day-to-day lives in appreciating and just acknowledging the universe. But we human beings are remarkable. With our potential, it's endless. So with this with us, why should we stop at just acknowledging it when we can act upon it as well? Allow me to elaborate. The vastness and potential of our universe is simply boundless. From planets with liquid ocean, collapsed star composed of diamonds, and even planets with diamond surfaces, the possibilities are truly endless. Who knows what else is out there? Columbus discovered a whole new continent accidentally when he was traveling from Europe to Asia. That continent now houses one of the most powerful countries in the world, the United States of America, after one man's accidental discovery. We are now in the state where we no longer make accidental discoveries. There are breakthroughs being made every day. If we put our minds to it, we can get hold of the infinite knowledge and information that's out there. Why? Because we are all Columbus, because we are all explorers. This quote by Carl Sagan, the renowned astronomer-writer, is perfect for our situation. He said that exploration is within our nature. We began as wanderers, and we are wanderers still. We have lingered long enough on the oceans, and it's about time we set sail for the stars. What I speak of is not radical, and it's not revolutionary. It's what we have been doing all along. It's just we've diverted away slightly. But to get us back on track, we can start educating ourselves beyond the conventional methods by taking into account subjects that we deem not too important. Subjects like creativity, optimism, welfare for others, curiosity, imagination, innovation, and the list goes on. We have to let into subjects that will let us to be truthful to ourselves and to everyone around us. We can also begin by celebrating the multitude achievements of the human beings, from the International Space Station, from your GPS, your satellites, and the recently launched Mars rover, Curiosity. Jason Silva, an emerging futurist, filmmaker, epiphany addict, and someone who looks really good, he said that the recently launched Mars rover, Curiosity, is not just a machine or a robot. It's an extended phenotype of the humankind. Meaning, it's not a computerized machine that's running around Mars. It's a part of us that's wandering an entirely different planet. These, ladies and gentlemen, are our first baby steps as explorers. We have set sail for the stars. Overall, we need to let ourselves outside the box, outside the confinements we've drawn ourselves, because only then will our sight permit us to look beyond the stars and skies. Of course, this will not happen overnight. It isn't magic, unfortunately. But we can try. And each step is mighty, because the resulting improvement will stand for something positively different and new in our society. We will be able to unleash the universe within us in order to explore the universe ahead of us. And we can all begin by thinking big, by thinking from the cosmic perspective. This picture you are now seeing is called the blue marble. It's the first clear image taken of an illuminated face of the Earth by the Apollo 17 mission. Back then, this picture was seen by many as a depiction of Earth's frailty, vulnerability, and isolation. So you might be wondering, what is in it for me if I were to take the cosmic perspective? Well, putting aside all the advancements we'll achieve and all the knowledge we could gain, if we were to take the cosmic perspective, we will be able to erase the borderlines we've carved upon our planet. We will be able to help our tainted planet to heal itself. Our Earth is just a mote of dust, a speck of dust in the vast expanse of the universe. This is all we have left. By thinking from the cosmic perspective, we will all, you and I, we will all be one, and we will emerge into one united, synchronized organism. We will all be one. Before I end my talk, I'd like to share a fact with everyone. Until we discover other types of civilization or other citizens of the universe, we are the only true descendants of the Big Bang. With that fact, it blows me away. Hopefully it strikes you too. With that fact with us, I believe that we all should take the cosmic perspective, not just because we're a part of the cosmos. We should take the cosmic perspective because you and I are the rightful heirs of the universe. Thank you.